Annabel Rama Gutierrez is more into this letter written by her.
Debated earlier. Now this is a press statement.
You keep your mouth shut. This is a
You should keep your mouth shut.
Matagal na siya na problema nito.
It's the mastermind.
Certificate sa babae. Ang certificate ng ibang isa.
Kinukuha yung envelope, tinatago.
Tignan niyo kung ano mga lumalabas. May dalawa akong anak na dalaga. I mean, look at this. Ang pinag-uusapan natin awards, bakit ito?
Wala tayong magagawa. Talagang ganyan ang mga pangyayari. No? Kaya nga,
are you now affirming to the truth, to the fact of those statements you made in this document made before a police investigation? Papa.
At sinabihan niya ako ng, you have to do this favor. At tinanong ko naman sa kanya, ano yon? Sinagot niya ako, where was I? At sinagot naman ako nito ng tawagin mo yung pangalan ni Rufa as Best Actress.